Hello everyone, today I will show you how to build a deck in a Pokemon TCG app. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to have an app called Pocket TCG downloaded. You can find this app on the internet by search for Pocket TCG. So basically what the app does is that it helps to scan all the cards that you have and then put them in a collection or in a deck so that you can transfer them for a price. So once you have the app downloaded, you need to click on the app and then go to the home page. So here you will see there are two options, either creating an inventory or create a deck. Click on create deck and then click on the plus button at the top right. You can name this deck to have however you want. Let's say I want to name it my deck. And you can also set the privacy to either just you, or you can set it to friends so that your friends can see what's inside of the deck. You can also change the image of the deck, but once you have the settings finished, you can save it. So right now the deck has 0 card. What you want to do is you want to click on the deck and then click on the plus button at the top right, click on scan. So let's say you want to add a card to a deck. What you have to do, you have to scan this card, and so you can adjust the quantity, and then after that you can hit save. So once you go back to my deck, you will see that this deck currently has 1 Pokemon card. And yeah, this is how you can create a deck of cards. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.